see what Erica threatens to do to Laycon any day he talks about her.
Let me see what you say about me again. And the next time Ebuka should ask him a question, if it has anything to say about him, I'm going to interrupt him and insult him. Let him know that see, I'm not I'm not interested in him in any way. You should stop it.
Bbnaija housemate Erica has threatened to verbally attack fellow housemate Laycon. The Bbnaija housemate vowed to interrupt and insult Laycon if he ever responds to any questions about her from the anchor of the show, Ebuka Obi-Uchendu. Erica disclosed this during a conversation with her love interest Kidwaya. Expressing her disgust for Laycon, Erica vowed to treat him as if he doesn't exist. According to Erica, she said, "I will treat him as though he does not exist. Let me see what he would be saying about me. Next time, if Ebuka should ask a question and he has anything to say about me, I'm going to interrupt and insult him. I'm going to tell him I'm not interested in any relationship with him. He should just stop it. Everything he's doing is making me lose respect for him. I have had enough of him." Okay, guys, Erica and Laycon are now sworn enemies. At least from Erica's point of view, she's really mad at the guy for saying she tried to kiss him, so she's not going to get close or want to talk to him again. It's even better for us, the Laycon fans, anyway. So, guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know your comments in this section below.